I had to replace the screensaver. So, ordered a screensaver through Amazon. And my screensaver, it had a big old chip in it on the phone that I'm using to record right now. And it had a crack here and a scratch. So the screensaver is very important to protect your phone. But this is the same phone that I'm, identical phone, I'm replacing the screensaver on it also. The first thing you have to do, you have to pop it out of there. Set the pieces aside. I got like a little old toothbrush. You clean your case. Shouldn't be that bad on this part. Then you take the screen protector off, and it comes this little kit. It's called the Super Shields glass screen protectors, and it comes with a little cloth. And it comes with like the little alcohol preps. So make sure you clean it real good. I didn't use these on my phone, but I probably should have. So it looks really good. Nice and clean. You take this little cloth, go over it, because you still had some of the residue. Clean it real good. Wipe all the dust off. Try not to drop the phone. That would have been bad. I take your little screen protector. See, it even has like this side up, lets you know which one is sticky. So you pull the sticky off, and all that's gonna be like a slight stickiness to it. Now lining it up is kind of a tough part. You kind of get it real close, and then don't put it on there too tight, and then slide it just a little bit. But once you put it on there, it's pretty much done where it wants to go. Whoops. And I cracked it. So we'll have to use this temporary now.
Oh my gosh. That's the whole point of that. I have to order Mama a new one.
I gotta order a new one. But anyway.
But you see the point.
Yeah, you see what not to do.
Yeah.
Very fragile. And you kind of... I might have to order some more. But you get all the bubbles out.
These yours look good.
So you got these white big old bubbles. And they probably won't get out of there because it's cracked a little bit. But just keep getting all the bubbles, push the bubbles. Don't do it too hard, you'll break the phone. That won't be good.
That's funny.
Don't be laughing at me. Alright, you put it back in there. I never know the difference.
Besides, like 3/8 still more cracks.
There you go. That's how you replace a screensaver. But just
Attempted.
Yeah, attempt number 1. We'll order another one and try to do it right. All right, you can pause it. Cut it off.